We all know that when a business or brand is new, it's important to make wise decisions to prevent any budget from getting wasted, especially before you are able to build a stream of income or customers for the business. Generally speaking, it is advisable to start with content marketing and to have a little bit of patience until you start reaping the benefits. Content marketing will help you build a community around the services that you're offering and get you some initial and genuine customers to work with as you grow. Once you start generating some revenue from your business, you'll be able to allocate a suitable amount of budget for paid advertising as well. Following this flow would enable you to run digital marketing campaigns that are both sustainable and cost-effective at the same time, as long as you are willing to compromise on the extra effort and time that's required in content marketing before you see any results. And the following modules will reveal how exactly to do that.